I'm going to describe my ideal scene as a photographer to you. My ideal scene is coming over with my 25-year-old camera damn near as old as me, or older, into a competition or where there's a whole bunch of other photographers with hundreds of thousands of rands of equipment or hundreds of thousands of dollars of equipment, and using the basics. I kick their ass. And I'm always trying to repeat this scene. Yeah, and you'll find I always have some super old camera, or you'll find that I'm using some very simple light. The basics are the basics, and the fundamentals can make a beginner beat an elite, an understanding of the fundamentals. So this philosophy is what makes me always have just some basic thing. I don't think you'll ever find me with the latest camera, but you'll always find me with some odd, very old thing, and I'll always be able to compete with the very top tiers, and occasionally I'll beat them.